This video will show you how to use a SQL query to build a report from scratch. Go to Reports and click on any category to get the reports grouping open. We're going to go to New, and we're not going to start by making a copy of an existing report. We're going to give it a name, and we're going to go ahead and add a query. We're going to select New, and we're not going to start by making a copy of an existing query. We'll give it a name. And what we're going to do down here is we're actually going to define this using manual SQL commands. And we go to Customize SQL. In here, we're going to paste the SQL statement that we used to define our 3 separate union statements. We click OK. We can use the Having tab if we want to add any parameters. This is where we would add in the dates that we might want to use. And then when we come back to our query in our group, we click Select and we add it. Save and close. When it asks us if we want to specify query parameters, if we run that, we'll actually see that our date will be available here to be chosen. We're just going to run the query without selecting a date right now. With our blank layout field open, we can basically add fields in the same way we normally would for the date, the type, and the amount. Do a little aligning. And now if we preview our query, we'll actually get our activity, our incident, and the training record, including the numbers that we put in to each of those. We can go ahead and add an optional band, summary band at the bottom. If we copy our water field and paste it using Control-C and Control-V, move it to our summary, we can actually bring it down there under Calculations. We can sum it at the bottom of the report. We should get the total amount of water used over that period of time. Hopefully this video will help you get better data out of Firehouse Software.